like a flat back because I have a lot of cute designs here, like randomly. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels on all and tie the nails. So this is not only apply all your crystal, but also it encap all of your glitter and keep it in one place. No wipe top coat. This bestie will not only easy for you when you are doing your crystal designs, so then you have all the time in the world to adjusting your designs before you are completely concrete here. And also it's holding all your crystals, charm and chains in one place for weeks to come. That's just like, you know what? I have an idea for this one. Let's see what I got in here. It's really nice. Maybe some of the random, like this. Just random, you can do it on the cuticles area, or you can do it just a part of it, like randomly. I'm gonna do it just like diagonals. You can either go in on the right to the left or the left to the right, however you would like. You see what I got here? You know what? I haven't get chance to do the cover randoms crystal for a long time. When the last time I did that? Don't remember. I'm gonna do is really cute and random, okay? So then you can combine of a lot of different your charm and your chains together. But also you have a lot of ideas that I did it before. Okay. And doesn't matter whatever designs you are going to do here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell you what. You can definitely do all different designs as long as you keep them really tight and close together. If you're seeing that I'm doing them randomly, but also I keep them is really in like close together. Look at, I have a little hearts right there. Don't know what I got. What's like have a spontaneous? You don't even know what I'm doing, huh? You?
Mm-hmm.
Any idea?
Well, I guess a blue design.
Like this. It's just randomly with all different cool charms. All right. Oh, nice. Try to get the bigger ones. I just saw one here. The half of the pearls. Where's that at? Oh, right here. Okay. Oh, I like it. It's so flashy nails though. It's like perfect for New Year. I'm gonna add some beads on. So there's no right way or wrong way doing it. You do however you would like. You can be even place all of them randomly on, as long as you get them really close and tight together. I'm gonna cut this parts really quick. You cut it for me, please. And just stop it instead of just